Today we will discuss about Springboard features. What are all the Springboard provided features? First we will notice here Springboard features. First one is startup dependencies. The second one is CLI, command line interface. And the third one is auto configuration. And the fourth one is actuator. These are all the main features Springboard provided. Before this, we need to discuss about what are all the Spring disadvantages. And we need to discuss about Maven project, how to create. Then we will discuss about for each and everything with a brief discussion of projects. Thank you. Next class we will discuss about this all those things.